Hey there, let's explore how to change the color theme in VS Code for a fresh and personalized coding experience. Step 1. Open VS Code and press Ctrl-Shift-P to bring up the command palette. If you don't see the color theme option right away, don't worry. You can always search for it. Step 2. Click on Color Theme to reveal a range of exciting options. Now, let's try the first one and see how it transforms our coding environment. Step 3. Take a moment to check out the new color theme. Isn't it refreshing? But hey, if you want to go back to your preferred theme, no problem. Step 4. Just head back to the command palette, select Color Theme again, and choose the one that suits your style, and there you have it. Customizing your VS Code color theme is as easy as that. Now you're all set to code in an environment that feels just right for you. Happy coding!